The astronomical telescope has objective and eyepiece of focal length of 40 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. To view an object 200 centimeter away from the objective, the lenses must be separated by a distance. What is the distance between the two lenses we need to find here? Okay. Given that the objective distance that is f naught is equal to 40 centimeter and the image distance from the lens is that is fe is equal to 4 centimeter and the tube length is the distance between the lenses and are equal to, we can write it as tube length, that is v naught plus fe. For the objective lens, u naught is equal to minus 200 centimeter and v naught we need to find here. V naught is equal to question mark. Then using the lens formula, that is 1 by Vb is equal to 1 by u naught is equal to 1 by f naught. Or we can write it as 1 by v naught is minus 1 minus 200 is equal to 1 by 40. Then we can write this one as 1 by v naught is equal to 1 by 40, 1 by 200, which is equal to 4 by 200. Then therefore v naught is equal to 50 centimeter. Thus, the tube length is 50 plus 4, that is 54 centimeter. Option D is the right answer.